Can CPS monitor your phone calls in California? Generally speaking, technically, yes, they can. They are a state actor, and if they have a good basis to do so, they can acquire a warrant to do a wiretap on your phone. However, typically, they don't necessarily have a basis to do so because most of the conduct is referring to the child and or children versus the parents, any type of alleged illegal conduct in terms of, let's say, committing drugs, selling drugs, buying guns, or any type of criminal-like activity that have, or maybe conspiracy, and having information of people you talk to can help further investigation and lead to a prosecution. But for CPS to wiretap, there's typically that I could think of, there's not really a basis for them to get a wire for a judge to grant them to get to wiretap your phone calls so then they can hear information that can help with their investigation. Oftentimes, they rarely do so, but I won't be surprised if they do. So how do you protect yourself from this? Well, at the end of the day, you're not going to know if they're utilizing or not because at the same time, well, they're wiretapping your phone. So it's like you're not supposed to know. That's the point of the investigation, for them to get information so you could incriminate yourself. So best thing to do is to not communicate with anyone over the phone regarding any particular allegation. And if you are, the best person you should communicate with is your lawyer because that information is protected. They should have no basis to try to wiretap a privileged conversation, especially when it's relating to protection and understanding how to protect yourself. But you never know how the warrants are structured. This is why it's always best to contact the California CPS defense lawyer to be aware what to expect.